Cold milk, watermelon and rose syrup. This is Mohabbat ka Sharbat, a simple Delhi-style summer drink made with milk, rose syrup or Rooh Afza and sabja seeds and watermelon. Start by soaking sabja seeds. I'm adding 2 teaspoons sabja seeds and mixing it with about 3/4 cup of water. Let them soak for 20 to 30 minutes till they bloom. In a bowl, add 3 cups chilled milk. Next, add 5 tablespoons of rose syrup or Rooh Afza. Mix well till the milk turns a light pink. I'm also adding 3 tablespoons sugar. Adjust to taste. Add 1 tablespoon rose water. You can skip this if you like. Now add the 4 to 5 tablespoons of the soaked sabja seeds. Next, add about 2 to 2.5 cups of chopped watermelon. Add some ice cubes if you like. Give it a gentle mix. Pour into glasses. Serve chilled. This drink is simple, cooling and really refreshing. Perfect for hot summer days.